Hi, Ziggy back again from Streamline. I just wanted to show off our 2021 or pre-registered Peugeot Expert that we've got for sale at the moment. Let's take a closer look. So this is the professional spec. Let's have a look inside the cab area here. It's the 2-litre blue HDI Professional. You have the nicer features such as the screen with Android and Apple CarPlay, 6-speed gearbox, it's got cruise control, air conditioning and half leather interior. Really nice spec van. With the Peugeots, they also come with the twin side loading door, which is a very handy option. We're going to take a look around the back. So it's fully fitted with a Bravo 650 RODI, so it's got the full reverse osmosis system, twin operator, Line-X flooring, poly kit, and we've got the external van ports underneath, which has your inlet, your outlet and your twin operators. This one also has the IPR6 pole holders and the LED lighting on a toggle switch. Let's take a look around the other side. So it's our traditional Bravo 650 traditional upright system. Everything is accessible from the sides. You've got your pumps, controllers, TDS meter and pressure washer takeoff on the side here. It's got twin leisure battery, which is tucked away nicely behind, and a split charge system. This can of course be tailored to any way you like in regards to hose rails, so you can have them stacked, laid flat or external lift in and out rails. If you have any questions, just give us a call or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.